times. I'm going to be putting on my Revlon kit. Ooh. I just don't know if I'll ever have an intro down, so welcome to my channel. What's good? For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a tutorial on this makeup look right here. There's something I absolutely love about a halo cut crease or just a halo eye in general. I just think they're so beautiful, and I wanted to pick up my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette because I was really feeling the rosy tones in today's makeup look. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching, and before we get into today's video, if you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. The first thing I'm going to do today is prime my eyes, and I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to do this. I prefer using concealer to prime instead of a primer just because it cancels out any darkness on my lid and it helps the shadows come out true to color. I'm going to pick up the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm going to work that right into my transition area just from the upper crease slightly up towards the brow bone. Now I'm going to be picking up the shade Realgar, and I'm just going to put that slightly tighter into the crease. I'm going to blend it slightly upwards towards that transition shade, but I'm not going to bring it past that transition shade. And if this shade gets on the lid as well, that's okay because we're going to conceal that anyways. I'm going to be picking up the shade Love Letter, and I'm going to be putting that in the same area that I put that Realgar shade. I just really want to incorporate some of this pink rosy tone into this look, so I'm going to build this up until I'm happy with the pigmentation of it. I'm also going to slightly bring this color onto the inner and outer corners to start to build that halo shape. I'm going to be picking up the shade Red Ochre, and I am going to put that tightest into my crease and on the very outer and inner corners to really deepen that halo look. Alright, so now we're at the point where things are starting to look a little scary. However, we're going to fix that with some concealer. So I'm going to pick my Tarte Shape Tape back up, and I am going to go in and kind of do a halo cut crease. So I'm going to bring that concealer right up to the middle of my lid to my crease area, and I'm going to slowly blend that out, and it's going to clean things up a bit because it looks a little bit messy right now. So now that we have that area concealed, we're going to go in and start to feather that Love Letter shade into the inner and outer corner. Now I'm going to dip into my soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be picking up the shade Rose Pink. I am going to spray a synthetic brush with some MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm going to put this next to that Love Letter shade, slightly working it into the center of the lid. However, I'm not going to go completely to the center of the lid because I want to add one more shadow in that area. So just starting to create that ombre effect and really working to blend these shadows into each other so that everything looks seamless. I'm going to be dipping back into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Vermeer, and I'm going to put that onto the very center of the lid. I'm also going to be spraying that with some MAC Fix Plus just so it looks more foiled than a regular shimmer shadow. Alright, so now I'm going to line some tape onto my outer corner, and I'm going to do some wing liner. I'm also going to go in with a little bit more of that Love Letter shade and just kind of create an angle with that because I don't want to have super rounded shadow and then an angled liner. So I'm just going to go, I don't know why I'm doing so many things with my hands. So I'm just going to go in and kind of just, there they go again. So I'm just going to go up and do some wing liner and fix that outer corner. going to go in and apply some mascara. So for mascara today, I will be using my Nars Climax mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to be applying my Nelo Cosmetic lashes. I believe these are in the style Ava, but I'm not sure, so I will have them in the description below. So now I'm going to take a step away from the eyes and I'm going to go in and finish the rest of my face. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime, and today I will be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I have mine in the So Chill Coconut, and I am just going to spray my face with this very generously. Oh shit, I got my hair more than I got my face. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation. I just absolutely love this stuff. It is super lightweight, but it gives the perfect amount of coverage, and I'm going to be blending that in with my StansOut Beauty Sponge. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I have mine in the shade 5. I'm just going to mix a little bit of my L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible Concealer in with this just to create the perfect shade. I'm also going to be applying some cream bronzer today. I'm going to be using my Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel cream bronzer, which is totally unnecessary. However, this product is truly amazing and it lasts a very long time. Now I'm going to go in and powder the center of my face with my RCMA No Color Powder. I'm now going to pick up my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and apply this to the perimeters of my face. For blush today, I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Geek blush in the shade Infatuation. I'm going to be using my LuLu highlighter by theBalm today. Mine's broken, so it's kind of hard to show, but yep, that's it. I'm going to fill in my brows off camera because you guys have seen that a million times and it never changes, and I will be right back. My hair is looking a hot mess. Oh my god. To finish off the rest of the eyes, I'm just going to line my upper and lower waterline with some black liner. Today I'm going to be using my Morphe liner in the shade Dark Room. Then I'm going to blend that out with the Love Letter shade from the Modern Renaissance palette. Then I'm going to blend that out with some of that Real Gar shade. Lastly, I'm just going to put a quick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes. For lips today, I'm going to apply my Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. I'm going to be putting on my Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. Then I'm just going to put some of that Mary Lou highlight on my inner corner and my brow bone. Alright, so this completes today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe. We are so close to 800 subscribers. I am so excited. I just whew, girl. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed already to my channel. It means so much to me. Also, feel free to leave comments down below on what kinds of videos you would like to see from me next. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.